Natin yan. Okay. So yun, good evening everyone. Okay, so yan, welcome to our RT International presentation, no, Zoom presentation, the product and opportunity presentation. Okay, so again, my name is Doven Abuan. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for RT International. Okay, so ito po yung i-explain ko sa inyo tonight. Okay, yan, RT International. RT is actually short for Rota and Tong. No, Rota, the family name of the wife, and Tong, family name of the husband. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-slogan natin, that we build names, brands, and futures. So dito yung mindset natin, no, as a company. So this is actually the marketing arm, no? The company that established here before was Rotatong Crystals, Rotatong The Beauty, and Rotatong Quantum, no? And just this year, we set up the RT International. Okay, so yan, welcome everyone. And ito, pioneering pa rin tayo, no? We just started, no? Pre-positioning, we're just over 3,000 plus members pa lang, close to 4,000. Okay, as of today, so still very fresh, no? Bago pa lang talaga. Okay, so yan. Wait. Okay. So this is a short video. This is a short video na pinagawa natin, no? So I just wanted you to check on this one for at least you'll have an idea kung ano yung pag-usapan natin tonight. Okay? Yan.
Pioneering. Positioning. Want to be on top? Be part of the first founding members of a Singaporean-based company that has just landed here in the Philippines. Be part of RT International. Online activation of accounts, daily ang payouts, offering 66% commission to distributors, the highest in the industry. The product, multi-awarded oral stem cell therapy supplement with 30,000 milligrams of Deer Placenta, which is triple the potency compared to competing brands. The best part is, our RT Placenta is the most affordable in the market today. With lots of world-class premium products to choose from. At ang pinakamalupit, pwede ka nang magsimula ng negosyo sa halagang 100 pesos lang. Tama ang narinig mo, kapatid. 100 pesos lang with our Jumpstart package. Other packages are Starter for 1,000 pesos and Diamond for 10,000 pesos. 2 ways to earn lang so the distributors can enjoy the maximum income potential. 1. Direct referral bonus up to 40%. 2. Uni-level bonus up to the 5th level up to 26%. May mga highly achievable incentives pa like free Boracay travel, free Asian luxury cruise, fully paid motorcycle at fully paid car incentive, unlimited income potential per day, no maximum pair, no 5th pair, no safety net. You can earn as many as you can every day. To learn the full details of the business, watch our full video on YouTube by clicking on the link below. RT International. We build names, brands, and futures. Hurry! Contact the person who shared to you this video. See you on the free webinar.
Yon, and eto na nga yung free webinar natin, no? Okay. So that's basically yung in a nutshell kung ano to. So I will discuss more of the details, okay? So yan, this is ito yung mga documents natin, no, yung legalities natin, no. We have the SEC, we have the US FDA, and we have the Philippine FDA LTO. Okay? And ito yung CEO natin, si Sir Dan. Okay, so nag-start out talaga siya sa Singapore, no, as a wholesaler of crystals and gems, and then eventually nag-transfer siya to Cebu, no. He's now married to a Cebuana, and yes, they have kids here. They're living in Cebu na, no, and the office is already in Cebu na, naka-based, okay, since mga pandemic times, no. So ventured into the beauty line products, the serums, okay, and right now the Deer Placenta stem cell technology, no. So talagang advocacy niya na itong placenta na to is available sa market at a very affordable price. Okay? Yan. So the people behind, okay, si Sir Daniel Tong, no, our company owner. We have also our head of operations, si Sir Jeffrey Perez, and we have our in-house doctor, si Doc Jo, who's also one of our stockists, no. By the way, si Sir Jeffrey Perez, our VP for operations, is also the business center for NCR. Okay, and yours truly, no, Doven Abuan, I'm the sales and marketing director of RT International. Okay, so right now, what I'm showing you here are our products. Diyan yung crystals, no, gems, okay, and yung ano natin, yung mga beauty products natin, okay, andyan din, no. We have there our quantum products as well and our banner product, the RT Placenta. So kung ano yung RT Placenta, here's a short video of the RT Placenta.
Great news, Asia! Nandito na ang RT Deer Placenta Stem Cells. Awarded by Asia's Golden Icons as Asia's leading oral placenta stem cell supplement. 30,000 milligrams of deer placenta is super effective yet most affordable in the market. A powerful immune booster with antioxidant, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. Beneficial for patients suffering from chronic diseases with its cell regeneration attributes. Get healthy, reverse your body age, and feel young again. Get yours now.
Yon, no? So the RT Placenta that we have is actually a synergy of the 12 most powerful supplements, being the deer placenta talaga as the main ingredient, no? That's a 300 mg. So we are the first in the market that has the 300 mg deer placenta. Kasi yung iba 100 lang, di ba? 150, 200, no? We are the first one that got the 300 mg, kaya medyo malaki yung ano natin, mas malaki yung soft gel natin compared dun sa competitors natin, no? But even so, we are actually still the most affordable placenta in the market today. Okay? Wala pa ring nakakatalo sa atin diyan. Still, we have the pinaka affordable placenta in the market. Okay? In a just in a ano lang, in a nutshell, no, I'll talk about a little kung ano ba yung placenta. Pero kasi ngayon very ano na to siya very popular, no? Etong stem cell technology na ngayon, no? Dahil ang dami ng companies, no, there are a lot of companies that are now marketing this one, 'di ba? With the biggest company having millions of sales na in this. So medyo ano na to sa mga tao, hindi na bago sa pandinig ng mga tao to, no? Kasi marami na nang nakapag-try nito. The only thing is kahit na mahal siya, no? It is so effective that people will really buy, 'di ba? Kasi nga sa ano siya, ang dami na niyang mga talagang natulungan, no? Na naka-recover, na ang daming mga testimonials na dahil sa stem cell technology na 'to. Although mahal siya ngayon nga, ang sa atin lang, no, the only thing that we have is actually ginawa natin siyang mas affordable sa market. Okay? So we have Doc Jo to discuss all about the details of the placenta. But in a nutshell, I'll tell you why, no? Bakit itong placenta natin? Ano ba yung effects niya, 'di ba, sa body natin, no? The stem cell is actually the basic of cells. It replicates and multiplies itself, 'di ba? And it can turn into a different kind of cell, no? Yan ang stem cell yun ang kakaiba sa stem cell. Kasi from a stem cell, it can become a heart cell, it can become a liver cell, it can become a skin cell, it can become brain cell, no, or a lung cell, whatever kailangan na cell sa body mo, a stem cell can turn into that particular cell. Okay? So, if we take the deer placenta, no, pag take natin yung deer placenta, it will help our body, no, create or a lot of stem cells. No, so yung body natin magano yan na yun ang effect ng deer placenta. So as we take the deer placenta, no, we'll be making a lot of stem cells in our body, and our stem cells, no, so kung ano yung mga cells na kailangan, 'di ba, it will turn into that particular cell. Okay, so for example, you have 'di ba, yung problem mo is nasa heart. So the stem cell will go to your heart and it will become a heart cell. No? So ganun yung ano niya, ganun yung magic niya, kumbaga yung purpose niya talaga, 'di ba? Kaya very effective siya. So it's a holistic approach, no? Our body will determine kung ano yung kailangan na sa body natin, and then sinesend niya yung mga stem cells doon. Okay? So in essence, 'di ba? These stem cells, it renew dead cells, it repairs the damaged cells, and it can reinforce and strengthen, support the body with healthy cells. Bakit cells, 'di ba? Our body is actually composed of systems, 'di ba? Andiyan yung cardiovascular system, andiyan yung digestive system, yung respiratory system, 'di ba? Now these systems, they are made up of organs. Okay, so for example, dun sa ano natin, sa respiratory, 'di ba? Diyan yung lungs, no? Diyan yung iba-ibang mga organs. Sa ano natin, cardiovascular, diyan yung heart, no? So these organs, like for example, the heart is it composed of tissues. No? So mga tissues na ito, okay? It composed of cells. So pag everyday kasi, no, namamatay yung mga cells sa body natin. But also everyday, no, as we sleep, our cells, our body replenishes, no, those mga cells, no, nagre-regenerate ng cells yan. No, every day our body is making lots of cells as well. But as we grow old, 'di ba? Hindi nakakayanin ng body natin 'yon, no? Kung ilan yung namamatay, ganun din yung ano niya. Eventually hindi niya kakayanin yung regeneration na ganun karami sa mga namamatay every day. Lalo na ngayon, dami pang mga free radicals, no, may mga marami ng tawag dito, mga stress and yung radiation, no, nakakasira talaga din, nakakamatay ng mga cells natin, no. So as we grow old, kaya may tinatawag na aging kasi nga hindi na nare-replenish, no. So eventually nagde-decline yung mga cells natin. So nagde-decline if the cells are kulang, 'di ba? Yung tissues, they can't work properly as well. So nagde-decline din sila. So yung tissues natin nag-decline, syempre yung organ, no, na made up of the tissues, medyo ano na rin siya, it's not 100% working na. So nagde-decline na rin. Now if the organs are affected, siyempre yung system na yun, which is part kung saan part yung organ na yun, yung system na yun, will be affected. 'Di ba? Pag affected yung isang system, our body will really be affected din. 'Di ba? So ganun lang yung concept niyan. So pag nagsimula yan sa cells, 'di ba? If all the cells are intact, pag cells is complete, 'di ba? So pag complete yan, gumagana yan, walang problema yung tissues natin, yung tissues walang problema, syempre yung organ natin walang maging problema. Pag okay yung organ natin, okay yung system natin, pag okay lahat ng systems natin, okay yung body natin, and we will be healthy. Kaya itong stem cell technology talaga this is yun nga, the most referred to it as a reverse aging process. Kasi nga, 'di ba, it will make our body, 'di ba, yung mga cells nga magre-regenerate siya, ang daming mga stem cells gagawin niya, no? And it can regenerate the body cells kung anong kailangan nila, 'di ba? So the stem cells will do that one. So in event, 'di ba, our body can actually be healing itself. No, so hindi po yung placenta yung nakaka-heal talaga, but it helps our body, 'di ba, heal itself by making our body create a lot of stem cells, 'di ba? So yun ang technology na yan, yung Dear Placenta. Kaya very effective siya. So ito lang sa atin is oral. So meron din iba nito yung mga mayayaman, 'di ba? May injection sa kanila. Yun, mga mahal yun, 500,000, 1 million, 2 million and up, 'di ba? But instant yung effect. Sa atin naman is in oral. Okay? So with the 300 mg, depende, may mga tao na ang effect is agad-agad, 'di ba? In just a few minutes, in just a few hours. Like yung experience ko dun sa Iligan, yung Iligan City Stockist mismo. 'Di ba? Tinry out niya. Talagang she was so sick when she got to the office. She did not take any other product or any other medicine or supplement that day. No, kasi gusto niya talagang matry yung placenta natin. So she took and then after just a few minutes nag-talk kami, talagang she stand up and really tell me that, "Sir Dobs, approved na sa akin 'to ngayon. I will really market this one kasi talagang effective talaga siya. Yung ulo ko talagang magaan, parang minamasahe, 'di ba? I feel good, 'di ba? Nawala yung pain. And yung kamay ko, I can now fist it, 'di ba? Yung nako-close na yung kamay niya, which on the morning pagdating niya hindi talaga niya maka-close kasi maga-maga lahat yung mga daliri niya, and it's so painful daw if she's trying to close fist it, 'di ba? But after that na-close fist niya, 'di ba? She feels good. Yun lang, yung dalawa na tinitake pa lang niya. There are times na, 'di ba, it will take you days to really feel the effect, but me personally, my sleep is really very good. My yung energy and 'di ba? Lahat 'yan. So talagang it has great effects on me, no? My wife also, 'di ba? We're taking it may mga times it will take days or weeks. Depende. But mind you talaga yung atin hindi mo pa mauubos yung isang bottle, you will really feel effects. Okay? So that's it, no? Hindi ko na masyadong i-ano pa siya, elaborate more because there will be another set of Zoom naman na that will explain more about the products. At least may idea lang kayo what it really does to our body. Okay? Now, we have received the award also, Asia's Golden Icon Awards last June sa Waterfront. That's our CEO and his wife. Okay, and we also have another product we call the Quantum Shield, no? So itong Quantum Shield na to, this cell phone anti-radiation sticker for health, no? So it has ions in it, no? It can reduce the cancer risk for the cell phone radiation. It can also reduce headache, 'di ba? Yung pag lalo na pag matagal tayong nag-usap sa phone, ba umiinit 'yan, no? So it protects our ears, brain and body from the harmful effects caused by the heat and radiation emitted by the mobile electronic device, 'di ba? At can also keep our battery longer, no? So to really prove kasi syempre mahirap naman na usap-usapan lang, no? To really prove we have a gadget, no, that tawag natin diyan is yung electromagnetic radiation detector. Oh, okay, it detects the radiation emitted by phones, no? Especially once we call so yung radiation yan na dinedetect niya. So that we have there our shield, the quantum shield, the sticker, no? So it's a bit bulky, no? It's a thick kasi nga 'di ba infused siya with ions din. Okay? So they have two phones. They're trying to call the other phone. Okay, yan, tinatawagan yung kabilang phone. And of course, lagay niya doon yung electromagnetic radiation detector. So magde-detect yun siya. Yan, that's about 900, no? Yung radiation na emitted by the phone pag tumatawag. And yan, pag inilagay niya yung sticker, yan. Cancels out. Hindi naman naputol yung tawag, pero it cancels out the radiation. Okay, so that's how it helps us or protects us from the radiation. So gamitin mo lang 'yan, lagay mo sa sa phone mo or sa lalo na sa mga kids, no? Especially for those young ones, 'di ba? That ngayon may 'di ba binibigyan na lang cellphone ng parents nila just to ba? Para may paglibangan, 'di ba? Kaya lang they didn't know, the parents didn't know, 'di ba, that they're putting their kids at a very high risk. Kasi hindi pa fully developed yung bodies nila, but they're already bombarded with the radiation. 'Di ba? But putting this is only 500 pesos eh. Very affordable. SRP price. Pag member ka pa, may discount ka pa, depende. May 20% discount, 25 or 50% discount, 'di ba? Makukuha mo. So it's very sulit doon sa sa magiging effect niya. Okay, sa atin. Now, we also have the quantum pendant. Now, itong quantum pendant naman is ito i-wear naman natin. Okay? So I'm wearing one. Actually right now just change the necklace lang kasi ano yan siya pwede mo siyang i-change like silver or stainless, no? Or if you have a gold necklace, you can also do. Okay? Now, quantum pendant naman, no? In effect natin dyan, of course, it's also infused with ions, no? And it's made of volcanic materials, no? And infused with negative ion. So, to prove talaga, syempre, tinest din natin. May ion tester din tayo. Okay? So, kasi maraming mga fake ngayon eh. No, maraming fake. Kaya makakabili ka lang ng 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 150, di ba? Diyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Pero walang effect yun. Walang radiation, ano yun. At saka ano lang siya, it's basically pang ano lang, accessories, di ba? But eto sa atin yan, this is really proven and tested. So we have our authenticity card. Okay? So may ano yun, may serial number. Ano serial number naka-imbus doon? The same with the pendant. And tinetest talaga natin yan kung may ions ba talaga. And see, 'di ba? May 3,000 ions plus talaga siya diyan. Okay? So um you can test the others kung ano meron ba talaga, no? And you will really find out na yung mga fake wala talagang ganyan. Okay? So our pendant, 'di ba, gamit niya aside from the radiation, 'di ba, it can restore and rejuvenate cells as well. So having the pendant or wearing the pendant and taking the placenta is talagang yan is the best thing that you could do to your health. 'Di ba? The best investment for yourself, for your health. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Always sinasabi natin, health is wealth eh. 'Di ba? So, yun talaga yung tinatagong power duo. 'Di ba? Power duo talaga yan. You wear the pendant, you take the placenta, you'll be on your optimum health, no? So improve circulation, dami yan, alleviates pain, aches, 'di ba? Yung energy. Again, no, itong mga sinasabi ko, proven and tested na sa amin to. And you can ask a lot of people who have already used our products. But again, at the end of the day, it would be best if you yourself, no, ikaw mismo ang gumamit, ikaw mismo yung nakapag-try, and ikaw mismo yung may testimonial sa product natin. Okay? The best testimonial is talagang ikaw, no? So you have to just try it, no? Wala ka lang ano, try mo talaga for yourself, okay? Yan. So aside from that, we also have our other products. We have the beauty products, no? We have our premium snail rejuve set, no? It's a set. It comes in a very very good box, no? Talagang parang class A talaga yung box na yan, no? Maganda siya talaga sa once you got it, no, and then yan sa loob andiyan yung cleanser, toner, and serum, 'di ba? Everyday talaga ginagamit ko 'tong cleanser na 'to, no. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa face ko. Sometimes I'll use the toner and the serum, no, eventually. Pero siyempre alam mo naman mga boys, wala naman tayong masyadong ano talaga sa face natin kung di ano lang, 'di ba? Yung makasabon lang okay na, 'di ba? But from time to time ginagamit ko yan, it's really good, it's really nice, and it lasts long, no? So andiyan si Miss Gazini Ganados, our RTD Beauty Ambassador, no? And we also have our premium age-defying gold serum, no? And vitamin C serum, mga serum to. And nakapag ano na ako, siguro itong age-defying nakaubos na ako ng 1 bottle niyan. The same thing with the serum, the vitamin C serum. 'Di ba? It really is good, no? Since last year pa kasi ako nakapag-try niyan. Now ngayon ano, maganda talaga sa akin yung ano, gold serum at saka yung vitamin C. Again, you have to try it for yourself, 'di ba? Ang daming mga nagganon sa akin na talagang maganda, but always, 'di ba? Mas maganda ikaw talaga makapag-try, okay? Yan, so we are done with the products and the company background, 'di ba? The people behind it. Right now, I'll be sharing to you about the vision. Etong sa ano naman na 'to is ito yung isa sa vision natin, and of course ito yung kitaan, 'di ba? Yung earning side. Okay? So the company we really believe, no, that the people are the most important assets, no? So sila talaga dapat yung makakuha ng biggest rewards, 'di ba? So this is the first time in the industry, no? We have actually the highest payout system na ginawa natin. Okay? So we gave out 66%, no, outright to the sa mga tao, no? And another additional 2 and 3%, that's a total of 5% for the business center and the stockist, no? Sa 71% for every entry package, no? Sold, 71% labas agad 'yan. Okay, balik agad sa mga tao 'yan, no? The only 29% natitira sa company, and out of the 29%, guys, 20 to 25% diyan is for the product cost, and the company only earns minimum of 4% to maximum of 9% only. Ganyan yung isip ni Sir Dan na talagang yung wholesaler mindset, no? Regardless, it doesn't ano sa kanya na kahit na maliit sa kanya as long as marami. Okay, siyempre kasi nga affordable tayo. So siyempre mas marami yung ano, yun ang talagang goal niya. So regardless kung kikita lang siya ng 10 pesos, 'di ba? Or 100 pesos, pero if you have 1 million din naman, you have 10 million, 100 million, that's so much na. Okay? So yun ang talaga ano yan, Chinese mindset talaga. Okay? Since he is really a Chinese by blood naman kasi nga Singaporean. But when you ask him, puso daw niya Pinoy, di ba? Puso Pinoy. Kasi yung wife niya is Cebuana, di ba? So he found love in the Philippines. No, so kaya he's also in love na with the Philippines. Dito na daw siya magstay talaga for good. Okay, so very ano siya, that's the ano of the heart of the company, no? Kaya maibibigay natin talaga the most sa mga tao, which is ang mga tao din naman talaga ang nakapagpapalaki ng business na ito. So this is our business. This is not just the Sir Dan's business. This is our business. This is our company. Kaya tulong-tulong tayo na mapalago ito. Okay? So yan, ito yung business model natin. So all you have to do, yung mga first timers dito, no? Ang kailangan nyo lang is kunin nyo yung sponsor link na nag-invite sa inyo dito. Mag-sign up po kayo. Okay, yung mga nag-invite naman dito, bigyan nyo yung sponsor link dun sa mga invites nyo. Make sure they sign up sa sponsor link nyo. Okay, and then you can choose from 3 options. Okay, yan. 3 options na pwede pagpipilian. Entry packages, you have the diamond package, 10,000 kung may excess ano ka talaga, pera. Pag wala naman, walang budget, medyo short sa budget, you can start starter 1,000 pesos. Pag talagang gipit talaga sa budget, nilagyan pa natin yan ng jump start, guys. No? Ito talaga, ewan ko na lang kung hindi ka pa talaga, no, kahit na gaano ka kagipit, di ba? 100 pesos to start a business, di ba? Napakalupit, and we are I think the first company that has this lowest entry package. May product pa. Okay, may makukuha ka pa na in return. Okay? So every package depende din yan. So 10,000 package na diamond, you will have 1 deer placenta. Okay, may 1 battle ka na dyan. You will have your own personal dashboard and your sign-up link. And then a starter package for 1,000 pesos, you can either have the quantum pendant, which we promo right now for only 1,000 pesos. May quantum pendant ka na kasi yung quantum pendant, that's 2,500 pesos yung SRP price yan. Okay, and then for only 1,000 pesos, makukuha mo na siya for a starter package, di ba? Ngayon, you can also do the quantum shield, 2 pieces of quantum shield kasi 500 yung isa dyan. Okay, you can have that one as well, and you could also have an option for either the vitamin C serum or the age gold defying serum, no? Yung beauty products natin, pwede din yun for 1,000 pesos. Okay, and then for the 100 na jumpstart, as of now, you could do the Digipack. Pero may mga stockies ngayon na meron pa silang mga facial mask and yung tawag dito, yung obsidian bracelet, then you could also have that one. Okay, but for now, yung wala, Digipack, no, this is the package ng Jumpstart. For only 100 pesos, guys, you have 1,500 pieces of premium books, no? More than pa yan. Okay, so andyan yung lahat ng mga bagong books and also yung mga best-selling authors, andyan din. Okay, sila Robert Kiyosaki, no, si Zig Ziglar, Anthony Robbins, no, one of the richest person in the world, si Warren Buffett, no, si Joel Osteen, Russell Brunson, di ba, Miles Monroe, and a lot of many more. Okay? So, napakalupit niyan, napakasulit for just 100 pesos. That's a lifetime access to those ebooks. And of course, every time and then, diba, from time to time, may upgrade yan, may mailalagay dyan, may maa-add na mga books dyan. Kasi syempre, our world is evolving, so pabago-bago yan. But for personal development, isa lang din naman yan. So you can learn from the stories of those best-selling authors, di ba? Of how they manage it, how they got to the top, di ba? So, yan, you'll have your mentors there, no? So pili ka na lang. And that's a very good package, di ba? For only 100 pesos. At ito pa malupit. no? So benefits natin diyan magdepende yan kung doon sa package mo. Okay, for the lifetime discount, if you're a diamond, 50% discounted ka lifetime sa lahat ng products. Okay, so bibili ka ng placenta 10,000, 5K na lang. Okay, yung Rejuve set na 2.5, 250 na lang. Okay, yung mga products na yan, yung ibang mga beauty products, health products, quantum products, and all the products ng RT, you will be discounted 50%. Now, if you're a starter, 25% yung discount mo. In a jumpstart, you still have 20%. Ang laki pa rin. Di ba? So, yan. But don't you worry. If you have started with a jumpstart, anytime you can always upgrade to starter or anytime you can always upgrade to diamond. Diba? So, pwede ka mag-upgrade anytime. Pag may kita ka na o may excess funds ka na, you can upgrade to avail the best benefits naman. Diba? Kasi nga, nasa diamond yung pinaka-best talaga if ako yung I ask mo. But syempre, if wala ka pang budget to go for diamond, you can start low, jump start, starter, diamond eventually. No, pwede kang mag-upgrade anytime. Okay? Now we only have two income streams. So dalawa yung pagkikitaan natin. So it's very simple, dali lang din i-understand and i-memorize kasi dalawa lang di ba? So the first is the direct referral bonus. So very naman yan, very normal. So lahat may direct referral. Pag diamond ka, ito yung direct referral mo 40%. Napakalupit, napakalaki, di ba? 40% agad. So if diamond ka, may pumasok sa iyo na diamond, direct refer, direct, no? Ka nag-refer. 10,000. Magkano sa iyo? 4,000 pesos. 40% agad, nasa sa iyo agad 'yan. Okay? That's a very good deal, no? So very sulit. Laki agad mo kukuha mo, no? Starter, you have 25% and the jump start you have 20%. Malaki pa rin. Okay? Now ngayon, syempre, ito yung first, may pangalawa is the unilevel. Okay, so the unilevel bonus is dalawa lang, direct referral and then unilevel. Unilevel will start from the direct referral of your direct referral. Diba? Syempre, direct referral mo, isa yan. Pag siya naman yung nag-direct, yan, direct niya yon, ikaw naman, level 1 mo yon si unilevel. Okay, you will have 5% on the entry. So kung pumasok ng 10,000 yon, 5% may 500 ka. Pero pag pumasok ng jumpstart yon, 100 may 5 pesos ka. Okay, level 2, syempre magde-direct pa din yon, no ba? Yung sa baba niya, level 2, 5% ka doon. May baba pa yan. Level 3, 5% din. Level 4, 5%. And for level 5, dinagdagan natin ng 1%, a total of 6% makukuha mo dyan. Okay, so sa unilevel bonus, that's 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 26%. And then the highest direct referral is 40%. So 40 plus 26, 66. Binigay na natin agad lahat yan back to the people. Okay, ganun kalupit natin ng complan natin. Okay? So, ito naman example natin, what if, 'di ba? Jumpstart, no? Kasi ito yung pinakamaliit no? So, gusto ko tong talagang i-explain ng todo, okay? So, yan, ilan ba tayo dito ngayon? Okay, 42, no? So, for the jumpstart package, 'di ba? Yung referral bonus mo is 20 peso, 20%. Now, the good thing is, for example, nagkuha ka ng jumpstart ka, nakapag-refer ka ng jumpstart din. Okay, so jumpstart tayo 100 pesos, so referral mo is 20%, meron ka 20 pesos. Okay? Also the good thing of our comp plan, kahit na jumpstart ka, you can refer higher packages. Meaning to say, pwede ka mag-refer ng starter. Okay? So if you're a jumpstart, nag-refer ka ng starter, you have 20%. So 20% sa 1,000, you will have 200. Bawi ka na agad, di ba? Pag naka-refer ka na isang starter. Or may kakilala ka na talagang afford agad yung package na diamond. So nag-diamond agad siya. Ikaw nakapag-refer jumpstart, you refer diamond, you have 2,000 pesos. 20% ng 10,000. Which is a good deal, di ba? No, saan ka makakahanap dyan, di ba? You're only a mere distributor, no? 100 pesos lang naman yung pinasok mo. Okay, nakapag-refer ka na pumili ng placenta, may 2,000 pesos ka na agad. Okay? So, it's a very good deal. Now, as I've said, pag gusto mo na mas lumaki pa yung referral bonus mo, then you go up, mag-upgrade ka ng starter, mag-upgrade ka ng diamond eventually. Pero, again, ito, I will show you ay tawag dito, itong ginagawa kong program, no? Ginawa kong program na Power of 10 na ito yung tutulong talaga sa mga nag-start ng 100 pesos, yung mga gipit talaga, no? Nag-start sila 100 and eventually you can actually rank up, no? Or 'di ba, go up the ladder with this one, no? Kasi nga it's very affordable guys, no? Saan ka ba naman maghahanap, 'di ba, 100 pesos lang. Kung magtatrabaho ka ngayon, may job ka, 'di ba, may job offer ka, kukuha ka pa lang ng mga requirements, wala na, hindi na kasya 100 eh, 'di ba? Oh, bibili ka ngayon ng Jollibee, kulang na 'yan eh, 'di ba? Manood ka ng sine, kulang na rin, nag-ano kami, game kami ng isang anong ba 'yan, yung, bowling, 'di ba? Isang game lang, 'di ba, kulang 100 plus na, eh. So, 'di pa rin puwede, 200 plus pala. So, kaya nga sabi ko, saan ba aabot 100 pesos mo, 'di ba? So, if you put that here, 'no, sa RT, puwede yang lumago. Pagtrabahuhin mo lang, sipag at tiyaga lang, ang 100 pesos. Now, anong gagawin mo? Okey, ganito. So, may 100 ka, 'di ba? Ito tanong ko lang talaga sa ano, I just wanted this to be, parang ano din naman, I wanted to know your, thought about this. Now, ginawa ko 'to power of 10. Guys, I wanted you to talaga, ilan ba tayo dito? 40, okay, 45 packs, 'no? I wanted to know from you, sa inyo mismo manggaling. Sa tingin niyo ba, ah kaya ba na kaya ba kayong kumuha ng 10 directs din, 'no? 10 directs na magpapasok lang din naman ng 100 pesos each, okay? Kasi siyempre sa tingin mo kaya mo yung 100 na entry, eh, 'di ba? So ang tanong ko ngayon, kaya mo bang magkuha o mag-refer ng 10 katao, 10 lang, na maglalagay din or papasok din at 100 pesos, okay? Yes, I wanted to know, ilagay niyo lang sa chat, yes, yes, kaya, kaya, okey, 'di ba? Oh, dalawa lang ba? Okey, mag-ano kayo, type kayo sa chat natin. Oh, tanong ko, kaya niyo ba, kumuha ng 10 directs na 10 lang, makapag-refer kayo ng 10 katao na pasok din sila ng 100 pesos. 100 pesos lang, ng entry natin. Okey, kaya. Okey, so 'yan, medyo marami-rami na rin, 'di ba? Oh, yes. 'Di ba? Kaya naman kasi nga, ang edge natin 10 lang, eh, 'di ba? 10 katao at 100 pesos lang. So, it's very affordable, okey? Very possible, ito sobra sa 10 na 'to, itong naglagay nito kung i-ano ko 'to, 'di ba, sobra sa 10, okey. Ngayon, eto another question, okey? Kasi 'pag ito, 'di ba, nakapag-ano ka ng 10, eto lang 'yan, 'no, 10 tao, hanap ka. Yung kikitain mo diyan sa 10 kasi nga kung starter ka, kung jump start ka din is 20%. So, 20% ng 100 is 20 times 10 may 200 pesos ka. Meaning to say, ROI ka kaagad, 'di ba? Yung 100 pesos mo nabawi mo na kaagad, nagdoble na sa 10 mo. Kasi kaya mong kumuha, eh. Ngayon ang tanong ko dito, isa pa pala, 'no, gusto ko malaman, mga ilang days kaya, okey, under sa link ko ang, 10 katao, magkano ko income ko weekly, ayan, 200 po yung first mo diyan income, okey? So, eto yung tanong ko, 'di ba, kasi ang daming nagsasabi sa'kin, "Dobs, 100 pesos parang ang tagal naman nating yayaman diyan." 'Di ba? Ang tagal kasi 100 pesos lang, eh. So, paano tayo yayaman diyan? Baka ilang years, baka namamatay na tayo o ano na tayo, 'di pa natin maano yung pagkayaman natin diyan, 'no? Baka matagal kasi nga dito nga sa amin 5,000, 10,000 ang entry, 'di ba? 15,000 ang entry, 7,777, 8,800, 'no, yung entry. Ang tagal nga din namin, it take us months or years, 'di ba, bago kumita ng malaki talaga. Eh, baka diyan 100 pesos lang ang tagal na, 'no? So, eto yung tanong ko sa inyo guys. I wanted to know from ito, 44, 45 katao nandito, okey? Ah, ilan dito, okey, Ito yung ano ko, ilan dito yung kaya kumuha ng 10 directs na magpasok lang din naman ng 100 pesos each, 'di ba? Kaya kanina, kaya nga, 'di ba? Ang tanong ko is, if kaya nyo ba siya gawin, ah, sabihin natin, ano ba yung pinakaano, in 2 days. Hindi, parang maano naman, 3 days, 3 days. Ilan dito sa inyo ang kayang kumuha ng ano, 10 days yung isa, okay. Kayang kumuha ng 10 in 3 days. 3 days muna. Ayan, may 2 days eh. O power naman 'to, 'di ba? 2 days agad. May 1 day pa nga diyan yung iba eh. Ilan dito yung kaya in 3 days, within 3 days, kaya yung 10, makapagpasok ng 10 in 3 days. Kaya ang 2 days, yes. 2 days, okay. May dalawa, kaya yung 2 days. Ilan pa? 5 days. Okay. I want to know more. Sige, ano tayo? Let's make this Zoom interactive para at least magka-clear tayo. 5 days. Okay? So, may dalawang 2 days, may isa 5 days. So, yung iba, sa tingin nyo, kaya nyo 5 days? 1 week. Sino yung kaya yung 1 week? Bigyan natin ng 1 week. Kumuha ka lang naman ng 10 eh. 'Di ba? 10 ka tao. Okay? 10 tao. 10 tao na nagpasok ng 100 pesos lang. O, kung gagawin kahit 1 hour, kaya. Yes, talaga. Pag ginagawa mo talaga, 5 days. Okay. May isa dito, 1 day. Okay? 6 days. Okay? Iba-iba, di ba? May 1 week. Okay. Ngayon, ayan. So at least I have an idea no kung ilan dito. Kasi ito may mga halimaw din dito eh na isang oras lang, 'di ba? Kasi imagine nyo guys, i-try nyo lang. 'Di ba? Lahat ng friends nyo diyan sa Facebook, lahat ng relatives nyo, lahat ng mga kaibigan nyo, lahat ng mga ano, ilan kaya diyan ang afford yung 100 pesos? I-try nyo lang. May negosyo ako, 100 pesos entry, sino yung gusto, interesado. And I'm doing a daily Zoom. 'Di ba? Daily yung Zoom natin. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-explain pa ngayon, just invite them sa Zoom presentation na ito. I'm doing this every 8 PM, 'di ba? So, madali lang, 'di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan ano kung hindi mo pa talaga alam o hindi ka pa confident to do the presentation, dalhin mo sa Zoom, 'di ba? I'll do the presentation for you. Okay? Yan, 5 days, 1 day, 6 days. Kung pwede sana isang account o one account policy lang din naman talaga tayo, no? 1 day, isang account lang tayo, okay? Mas matagal pa mag-encode sir kaysa kumuha ng 10 recruit. 'Di ba tama? Minsan 'pag mahina yung signal mas matagal pa, kaysa kumuha ng ano, mas dali pa kumuha ng 10 eh, 'di ba? Now, I get an idea already. Eto guys, eto yung malupit na 'to, okay? Assuming, sabihin natin 'di ba marami nga 2 days, 3 days. Alam nyo ba, okay, eto gagawin natin. 'Pag etong direct na 'to, yung 10 na 'to, 'pag nakuha mo 'to, sabihin natin in 5 days time, 5 araw, okay? 5 araw, 5 days, nakuha mo 'yan. Siyempre, 'pag ikaw nakayanan mo 'yan, siyempre kaya ng 10 'yan na kumuha din sila ng sa 10 nila each. Duplication lang, yung 10 nakuha mo, kukuha lang din ng tagte-10 'yan, 'di ba? So everybody will get 10 directs na 100 pesos entry. So kung nakaya mo siya in 5 days, siyempre, bigyan natin ng ano sa kanila, kakayanin din nila in 5 days yan. So what will happen to you? On the first 5 days, bawi ka na agad, 200 ka. On the next 5 days, yung 10, tinulungan mo, wag ka munang mag-recruit na, wag ka munang kumuha ng iba. What you will do is you help and you assist your 10 directs, di ba? Na ma-fulfill nila or ma-kompleto nila yung 10 nila. Okay? Oh, so very simple lang naman 'yan. But guys, you can actually do as many as you can, Ito 10 lang sa 10. Okay, 10 lang ito sa 10. Okay? 'Yan, 10 lang ito sa 10. Okay, so yung 10 kumuha ng 10, tulungan mo, i-assist mo, 'di ba? Kung anong ginawa mo, dinala mo lahat sa presentation. Every day may presentation tayo, 'di ba? Oh, 'yan, example lang. So 100 pumasok 'yan, no? 100 entry, magkano sa'yo? Unilevel, 5%. So, 5% sa 100 pesos, meron kang 5 pesos each. Okay, sa 100, may 500 ka. Ngayon, Okay, tapos na yung 5 days, 10 days na. Another 5 days. So, another 5 days. Etong 100 naman. Ito naman ngayon yung tutulungan nyo. Tutulungan ng 10 at saka 100, di ba? Na makahanap ng 10 each. Okay? Ganun lang din kung anong ginagawa nyo. Kung paano nyo nakuha yung 10, ganun lang din yung gagawin nila. Duplication lang. Ituturo nyo lang din, i-assist nyo sila, di ba? Paano nila makukuha yung tagsa 10-10 nila. Okay? Now, ngayon, kaya nga, may everyday presentation tayo. Eventually, magkaroon tayo ng yung recorded na para bigyan nyo na lang. O kung marunong na kayo mag-present, you will do your own presentation. Regardless, whatever, di ba? As long as ito, ma-presentahan natin yan, ma-inform natin yan, no? Kung whatever way possible, gawin natin. Okay? So, yung 100 nakahanap ng 10 each, 1,000. So, 5 pesos ka pa rin dyan. So, 1,000 times 5, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Okay? Once you reach this level, magkaroon ka pa ng isang incentive. Okay? The company will give you 1 Lacoste shirt and 1 RT hoodie. Okay? Again, pag ito ginawa mo on 5 days, di ba? 15 days yan, no? So, we have a promo sa level na ito. Pag na-hit mo ito on or before April tuloy, October 20. Today is October, ano ba ngayon? 10, 9, no? Today is October 9. So, you have 11 days. So, doon sa mga nagsabi na 2 days kaya nila kumuha ng 10. Doon sa mga nagsabi na 3 days kaya nila kumuha ng 10. Pag ginawa nyo yan, in 3 days time, kumuha kayo ng 10. In another 3 days time, yung 10 nyo kumuha ng 10. And in another 3 days time, yung 100 nyo kumuha ng 10. Na-hit nyo to in 9 days. So, ngayon, na-hit nyo in 9 days time, that's still October 18. Instead of Lacoste shirt and RT hoodie, ang ibibigay namin sa inyo is Wow Singapore 3 days, 2 nights trip. How is that? Diba? Singapore, guys. Libre. Libre yung pamasahe mo na plane ticket, back and forth, kasama na. Libre yung hotel accommodation mo, 2 nights hotel accommodation. Okay, libre yung breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Libre pa yung city tour. Siyempre, tutour tayo dun sa Singapore, sa city. At libre pa yung isang safari night. Di ba? Makita natin yung mga ano doon sa safari, yung may tram ride doon, di ba? Ikot tayo doon gabi. Makikita mo yung mga creatures sa gabi. Okay? Sana lang walang mga tikbalang doon sa kanila, no? Yung mga ano natin, mga aswang o ano man, di ba? But you'll see the creatures there in the safari, no? Sa safari night tram ride. Napakalupit niyan. And you will be with all the qualifiers, syempre mga leaders, and you will be there with all the admins then. Okay? So, it's a time that we can band together, di ba? You'll be, syempre, di ba? Iba yung mga naggagawa sa mga ganyan, yung mga travel incentives na ganyan, di ba? It's a group travel incentives, napakalupit, no? So imagine nyo, di ba? Yung nagsasabi sa akin na 2 days kaya nila 10, 3 days kaya nilang 10. Pwede nyo pang hatawin to, pwede nyo pang makuha ito. Okay? Now ngayon, kung hindi naman, okay lang kasi meron din naman kayong Lacoste shirt. Pag hindi nyo na-avail yung sa October 20. Pero malayo pa kaya pa di ba? Sabi niya nga, 2 hours o 1 day nga pwede. So kung 1 day, 3 days lang kaya, kuha mo na to, di ba? Okay? So ngayon, another, pag natapos to, di ba? Yung 1,000, ganun lang din. No, ganun din ginagawa. Duplicate lang din, humanap lang din sila ng 10 each. Di ba? Kasi kung ikaw yung humanap ng 100, medyo, yung iba kaya, yung iba hindi. Kahit ako, hindi ko kaya yung 100 directs. Di ba? Or 1,000 directs, hindi ko kaya. Pero 10, di ba? At 100 pesos, kayang-kaya yan. Di ba? O, pwede nating hatawin yan kasi 100 lang at saka 10 lang. So, let's divide the effort. So, ito, 1,000 gets 10 each. O, magkaroon ng 10,000 members dyan. 5 pesos pa rin sa'yo dyan. So, magkano kinita mo? 50,000. And you started with only 100 pesos. Okay? Ngayon, ito malupit. May incentive ka pa na Hong Kong, Macau Escapade. Another trip. Kaya guys, kung wala pa kayong passport ngayon, kumuha na kayo ng passport kasi syempre kailangan natin yan to go outside the country, sa Asian countries. Okay? Yun. So, Hong Kong, Macau, all expense paid trip din yan. 2 days, 2 nights, 3 days. Okay? kasama airfare, kasama hotel accommodation, may 50,000 ka pa na cash na pwede mo maging pocket money doon. Okay? So, the same thing, yung 10,000, yun lang din tinuturo natin. Humahanap sila ng 10 nila, may 100,000 na members, 5 pesos pa rin sa'yo. You'll be earning 500,000 by this level. Okay? And then incentive nito is 100K gadget upgrade. Okay? So, kumita ka na ng 500,000 na upgrade pa yung gadget mo pa 100,000 of your choice. Di ba? Kung gusto mo mag-iPhone dito, kung gusto mo mag-fold dito, mag-Samsung S23 ka, or gusto mo ng MacBook, or gusto mo ng ano, basta 100,000, kaya pasok sa 100,000 budget, di ba? Makukuha mo dyan, free. Okay? And then, pag last but not the least, the fifth level, di ba? Another 5% sa'yo. Ganun lang din, yung 100,000, kumuha ng 10 each, di ba? You'll have 1 million members there. 6 pesos na sa'yo kasi 6% na nga. 6% ng 100 is 6 pesos. So 1 million, you'll get 6 million pesos, guys. And yung incentive dito, ibabalik kayo sa Singapore trip, escapade. But this time, we will be staying in the Marina Bay Sands. Okay? And then you will have 250,000 shopping spree. No, pwede kang mamimili doon ng mga branded na mga bags, branded na mga belts, branded na mga shoes, whatever branded na pwede mong iano, basta iubos mo yung 250K shopping spree na yan, and you will have our RT watch and an RT ring. No? Papagawa tayo ng personalized na RT na watch, yung may RT talaga, at saka isang ring, no, gold and diamond ring na naka-RT din. So lahat ng mga merong ganun, syempre they will know, 'di ba, that you are part of the 'di ba, the pioneers talaga, yung mga leaders or mga, 'di ba, the top of RT International, the top leaders, the top members. Okay? And then you will have 6 million. So a total here, you will have 6.5 million. Now, sabi ng iba, baka matagal. Guys, remember, 'di ba, yung target natin, what if 5 days lang? What if 5 days natapos mo yung isang level? Another 5 days natapos mo yung level 1, 'di ba? Another 5 days, so 15 days natapos yung level 2. Another 5 days natapos yung level 3, another 5 days natapos yung level 4, and another 5 days natapos yung level 5. So how many days yan? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's only 30 days. Imagine, pag natapos mo yan, tinrabaho mo lang, tapusin mo lang yung 10 mo within 5 days, at ituro mo lang na tapusin lang din nila yung 10 directs each nila in 5 days time. In total of 1 month, guys, or 30 days, you will have 6.5 million pesos earnings from your 100 pesos capital. Saan ka makakahanap ng ganun na program o na setup? Di ba? Incentive mo, makukuha mo na lahat yung incentives mo dyan. Di ba? May Wow Singapore ka na, Hong Kong, Gadget, Singapore, Escapade, lahat na. Binigay na sa'yo. Di ba? And kaya mo pala siya gawin in just 1 month. All you have to do is focus all your energy and your strength. Lahat gawin mo na. Tapusin mo lang yung 10 mo. Ngayon ang tanong ko sa inyo, guys, di ba? Ilang days na ba kayo dito? Ilang weeks na ba kayo sa RT? Natapos nyo naman yung 10 nyo. Okay? Pag bago pa kayo dito, kaya nga ginagawa ko to every day kasi para makahakot lang kayo ng hakot ng tao. Di ba? And I'm doing this, di ba, ulit-ulit ako i-explain to on a live Zoom seminar sa inyo, guys. Di ba? To help you at assist you as well. Kasi, di ba, eto na yun eh. Di ba? Naghahanap ka na makapag, ano ng buhay mo, 6.5 million. I'm very sure na makapabago to ng buhay mo ngayon. Di ba? And for 100 pesos lang, tiyagaan mo lang, sipagan mo lang yung 10 directs. 'Di ba? Yung 10 directs din, sipagan lang din nila yung tagsa 10 nila, and everybody will just put in 100 pesos and the sipag na 10 directs each. Yun lang. 'Di ba? I-focus nyo lang, then gawin nyo in as early as you can. 5 days, you will get it in 1 month, tapos ka na. 'Di ba? Ngayon may nagsasabi kanina 10 days, sir. Okay lang 10 days. 1 day, isang tao. 'Di ba, imposible naman pag tinrabaho mo to na 1 day hindi ka makahanap ng isa na, 'di ba, we can trust you for the 100 pesos. 10 days, 10 araw, isang tao isang araw, 10 days, 10 tao. So if you do this on 10 days span, 'di ba? Yung directs mo 10 days, it will take you 10 days. And then if it will take them also 10 days to get 10 each, 'di ba? So yung level 1 mo will be 10 days, level 2 mo 10 days, so that's 30 days na. Level 3 mo is also 10 days, level 4 is 10 days, level 5 is 10 days. So ilang days lang 'yan? 'Di ba? 10 times 6 levels. 60 days total. Ilan ba yung 60 days? 2 months. 2 months lang pwede ka nang kumita ng 6.5 million. Ano ngayon guys? October. October, November, December. December is more than 2 months away lang. Pag ginawa mo to 10-10 in 10 days each, yung target mo, before Pasko, before mag-New Year, before mag-Pasko, before mag-holidays, before mag-New Year, you will already have 6.5 million earnings. Di ba? Would it change your status? Would it change your life then? 'Di ba? Mababago ba yung Pasko mo this year? Mababago ba yung New Year mo? 'Di ba? Sa January 1, okay? Malaking tulong na ba ito sa pamilya mo? And ang kapalit lang naman ito is 100 pesos at saka sipag at tiyaga na mag-build ng 10 katao. 'Di ba? Pag hindi mo nakuha, ewan ko na lang kung anong makakatulong sa'yo na yayaman. 'Di ba? Na matagal. Kaya nga guys, talagang pinupush ko ito na napakalupit itong program natin. And this is only the beginning. 100 pa lang yan. Ngayon, pag kumita ka ng ganyan, 5,000, 50,000, ang dali na lang na mag-upgrade. 'Di ba? May upgrade pa tayo eh. 'Di ba? Ang dali mag-upgrade. Kumita ka ng 50,000, imposible naman hindi mo afford 1,000 pesos. 'Di ba? Afford mo na mag-upgrade. Mag-upgrade ka ng starter. Once you upgrade the starter, 25% na yan, 25% discount ka na, 25% na rin yung referral bonus mo. 'Di ba? 25 pag jumpstart, 250, tsaka pag diamond, 25. Ito yung malupit dito. Nakapag-build ka na ng team eh. 'Di ba? You have already built your team, yung 10, 10, 10. Power of 10. Hindi ka na kailangan na mag-build ng bago kasi yung team mo na yon, pag kumita yon, sila naman yung mag-upgrade. Pag nag-upgrade yung 10 directs mo, 250 agad sa'yo kasi nga 'di ba 250 na eh, 25% na, okey? Balik agad yung 25 mo. Kasi kumita ka na dun sa 100 eh, 'di ba? Pag na-build mo yung team mo dun, kumita ka na. Ngayon, tuloy magsunod-sunod lang 'yan. Etong 10 directs mo, sila naman yung kumita, sila naman yung nag-upgrade, okey? Once nag-upgrade sila, 'yan 25 sa'yo. Ngayon yung, it will come a time na yung 100 na 'yan mag-a-upgrade din. Kasi nga tuloy-tuloy lang yan, eh, tuloy-tuloy lang nag-build ng team, eh. So tuloy-tuloy nag-build, tuloy-tuloy lang kumikita. 'Pag kumita na yan kaya na yang mag-upgrade, nag-upgrade yung 100, may 50 pesos ka. Bakit? 5% ng 1,000. Okay, yung uni-level bonus mo 5%, 50. O may 5,000 ka na diyan. Yung level 2, 1,000 nag-upgrade, may 50 pesos ka, 50,000 ka na agad. And this time, 'di ba? Nakapag-incentives ka na dun sa 100, dito sa pag-upgrade nila ng 1,000 is another incentive. Okay? I repeat, another incentive. Ibang incentive naman pag nag-upgrade to 1,000. Okay? Nag-start ng 100, may incentives ka, may kita ka. Ngayon, nag-upgrade ng 1,000 yung same team mo, another earnings and another incentive. Pag eto na hit mo tong level na to, Boracay incentive makukuha mo. Good for 2 packs. You can bring 1 person with you. Okay? Pwede dalhin mo asawa mo or kung ano man, kung sinong pwede mong dalhin doon. Okay? Boracay yan. All expense paid trip yan. Okay? May 50,000 ka pa. Ngayon, pag nag-upgrade yung 10,000 na yan, may 50 pesos ka. Each, 500,000 agad sa'yo. Anong incentive naman ito, guys? Kaya nga sabi ko, prepare your passport kasi this time, you will have Asia Luxury Cruise. Okay? Asia Luxury Cruise. Good for 2 pa rin. You can bring +1 along. Di ba? So, imagine mo yan, Asia Luxury Cruise, binibigay sa atin libre. Guys, I was able to do this. I was able to have an Asia Luxury Cruise just January this year. And sobra-sobra talaga sabihin ko sa inyo, it's a one-of-a-kind experience. And talagang I wanted every Filipino to experience that. Kasi ang daming mga Pinoy doon eh, do sa ano yung mga servers, ang daming mga Pinoy, "Uy, kabayan," 'di ba, magaganon. Napakalupit guys, ibang experience, parang nasa malaking mall ka na, 'di ba, na gano sa dagat 'no. It's all there, lahat ng pagkain libre, may mga events, no, may mga shows, may mga magic shows, may mga musical, may mga kung gusto mo banda, may mga banda din, pwede kang sumayaw, may mga ano doon parang kanang disco bar na ano, kung gusto mong mag-disco lahat, ma-experience mo, and then you'll be experiencing kasi siyempre ano yan, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. So you will also have a city tour, no, sa Singapore, city tour sa Malaysia, and city tour sa Thailand. 'Di ba? So sa Thailand beach 'yun eh, sa Pattaya Pattaya ba 'yun? Basta kalimutan. Anyway, sa Thailand basta beach, dadaong yung barko, 'di ba? So you will be enjoying all of that for free, 'di ba? And guys, saan ba nagsimula 'to? From 100 pesos and 10 directs. 'Di ba? Makakapunta ka na. Ito, dream ano ko lang talaga 'tong Asia Luxury Cruise na 'to eh, no? And syempre kasi nga mahal 'yan. So not everybody can afford to go. And eto sa RT, pinamimigay lang natin, ginawa lang nating incentive, libre. 'Di ba? May pocket money ka pa, may 500,000 ka pa. Ngayon, pag nag-upgrade naman yung next level diyan, okay? Upgrade yung next level, no? May 50 pesos ka, 'di ba? 5 million na 'yan, guys. And may incentive ka pa diyan ng Europe Luxury Cruise. Natapos na natin yung Asia. Asia kasi ano lang 'yan eh, 4 nights, 5 days, 'di ba? Yung Europe minimum of 8 days 'yan, 8 to 12 days 'yan. Yung depende sa pag-ikutan natin or depende sa package, no? So it's another cruise there, no? And then this time you will have 5 million pesos, 'di ba? And then last but not the least, the 5th level, no, pag nag-upgrade lahat 'yan, 60 million guys. 'Di ba? May Toyota Land Cruiser ka pa, 'di ba? Talagang minsan pinapangarap mo lang 'to eh, 'di ba? But 65 million, I'm pretty sure it can already change your life and your family's life, 'di ba? Now, this time, lahat ng mga Pilipino na working abroad, 'di ba? Pwede na bang umuwi? Pwede na bang magstay good in the Philippines if you have 65 million dito na kinikita, 'di ba? Maganda na 'yan dito, parang king ka na 'yan, 'di ba? Di mo lang siguro maubos 'yan, no? In a lifetime, or if you're really extravagant, eh, meron pa namang ibang ways diyan, no? So anyways, eto 65 million, 'di ba? Saan nag-start 'to? Nag-upgrade ka lang ng 1,000 at saka yung team mo nag-upgrade lang din ng 1,000, but you started with the 100, 'di ba? So I wanted you guys to really, 'di ba, understand the power of 100 pesos na 'yan. 'Di ba? Yung power ng 100, kaya always yung if napansin niyo, 'di ba, magpapatugtog ako ng ano yung music ni ano Giancarlo pagka start, no? $100 bills 'yun eh, 'di ba? So paparamihin natin yung 100 'yan, the power of 100. Wag niyong i-underestimate yung power of 100 kasi pwede kang kumita ng 6.5 million. Pwede kang makapunta ng ibang bansa. Pwede kang kumita ng 65 million diyan. Okay, ito yung malupit, no? So mga incentives natin, 'di ba? Yan, nakikita niyo yan. You will be staying on those hotels. Okay? Oh. The new 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser, 'di ba? Ang lupit, guys, ang ganda. That's 5 million pesos. 'Di ba? Napakalupit niyan, no? Ito yung experience para may ano kayo, 'di ba? Parang video lang na short, no? Experience on a cruise. 'Di ba? Yan. Mga hindi pa naka-experience, mga experience na, alam niyo na yan eh. Spectrum of the Seas, yung barko talaga yan, sinakyan namin. Last one. Diba? Ang daming mga pool, daming kainan, hindi ka mag-shopping, yan. Lumipad ka. Diba? May iPad, may land tours. Singapore yan, Changi Airport, yan sa mga yung Garden by the Bay. Yan, another naman different sa Vietnam naman yata yan. May mga tours. sinasabi ko, di ba? Yan, may mga gigs. Ay, sorry. Oh. See? So, ito naman, share ko, not to boast, but just to share you my experience, no, sa Spectrum of the Seas. No, last January lang to, this year. Diba? Punta kami with some of the, ito sa ibang ano naman to, ibang company na group, diba? Yan, so talagang super one of a kind experience, no? Yan, na-experience kong lumipad, di ba? Yung sa iFly, na-experience ko yun, na ano talaga, lumipad ako parang nasa ano ka, wind blowing sa yung wind lang talaga yung nakakalipad sa iyo ba, no? So yung experience mo is para kang nag skydiving, parang ganun, but it's a really great experience, no? So I wanted you all to experience this one, and lalo na sa RTI meron tayong incentive for free dito, di ba? Libre mo lang makukuha, wala ka nang ibabayad, gagawin mo lang 10 directs at saka duplication, sipag at syaga lang. 'Di ba, 100 pesos. Ito pa malupit, may 10,000 pa. 'Di ba? Kung nalula na kayo dun sa kinikita nyo sa 1,000 tsaka sa 100, guys, wait and there's more, 'di ba? Oh, yan oh, 4,000 agad sa'yo kasi 40% na. Okay, so kung may pumasok sa'yo na, no, ito yung malupit dito, no? Okay. Pag nag-upgrade yung directs mo, yung 10, 10, 4,000 ka each, 'di ba? May 40,000 ka kagad. Pag nag-upgrade yung level 1 mo, may 50,000 ka. Nag-upgrade yung level 2 mo, may 500 ka na agad. Level 3 mo pa lang 6 figures na yung 7 figures na kita mo diyan, 5 million. Level 4 mo 50, level 5 kikita ka dito guys ng 9 figures income, 'di ba? Ewan ko lang kung hindi pa ma-change yung life mo for 655 million. Wala nang incentive na nilagay natin kasi sobra-sobra na, 'di ba? Ikaw na bahala diyan. 'Di ba? 655 na eh. This time naman, paano mo naman na it's time for the company to earn, 'di ba? Kasi bigay lang tayo ng bigay eh, 'di ba? So, ito naman yan, 655. So, for 1 million katao, 'di ba? Pag syempre limited lang naman yung Pilipinas. Pag gusto mo pa ulit ng another 655 million, 'di ba? Kuha tayo ng ibang countries, 'di ba? Open naman tayo sa ibang countries, 200 countries out there, eh. Kaya nga kung ikaw yung nauna dito, okay, na gawa mo na yung 655 million, okay? May ibang countries pa naman eh. Philippines is only 110 million. India is 1B. 'Di ba? Hindi na pesos ang kita mo diyan, 'di ba, dollars na. Okay, so very ano lang, strict policy, one account policy tayo, and ito yung isa sa pinakamalupit din na partnership natin, itong point value system. Okay? Dito wala ka nang kinikita ka kasi nga, 'di ba? Ano na 'to eh, dalawa lang naman kita natin, yung direct referrals pa yung ini-level. So kumita ka na. Okay, assuming after ng 655 million. Ito naman, every time na yung team na na-build mo, bibili ng products, repeat purchase. Ika nga, 'di ba? Kasi nga maganda yung product natin. For example, placenta, tinitake mo siya every day, 'di ba? So, yung isang bottle good for 1 month 'yon. Pag tinitake mo talaga siya one morning, one evening, no? So, 1 month, every month bibili ka. Ngayon, pag diamond ka na, ang bili mo doon 50% discount. Okay? But yung PV natin is based on the SRP. Okay, so 0.6% sa lahat ng directs mo. Okay, if they purchase. So for example, placenta 10,000, 0.6 is 60, 'di ba? 60 PV kikita mo doon. Okay, sa level 1 mo may 0.5%, level 2 0.5, level 3 0.5, level 4 0.5, and level 5 0.6, a total of 3.2% additional on the PV. Na ano mangyayari dito sa PV na to? Itong PV na ito, okay, 1 PV is equivalent to 1 peso. And hindi mo siya pwedeng ma-withdraw. What you could do is you could just purchase it sa merchant partners natin. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng maraming merchant partners na may other products and services. Di ba? Kasi nga, they will want to partner with us kasi we have the community, the buying power. May mga members natin will have eventually PV. Magkano yung pwede mong kitain na PV? Ngayon, if na-build mo na yung team mo, okay? Na-build mo na yung team mo, kahit na yung 19,000 ito yung power of 5 lang eh. power of 5, 19,000. Pag bumili ng isang bottle ng placenta lahat yan, meron kang 1.1 million PV. Okay? 1.1 million PV. So, anin mo yan. Pwede kang bumili ng kahit ano doon sa merchant partner. So, if we have 20,000 members na may 1 million PV din, di ba? You can only imagine, lahat ng mga companies talagang mag-LOI yan sa atin. Gusto tayong maging partner nila, di ba? Yun ang power ng merchant partner. Okay? Lahat ng mga may products, may service, pwede nating i-merchant partner yan. Kasi nga, hindi natin pwedeng ma-withdraw yung PB natin, pwede lang nating ibili. So maghahanap tayo kung ano ba yung pagbibilihan natin, no? So lahat ng mga restaurant, hotels, mga gadgets, 'di ba? Bibili ka ng sasakyan, bibili ka ng motor, bibili ka ng kasi kakasya 'di ba? Bibili ka ng lupa, bahay, kung ano man yung gusto mong bilhin, 'di ba? Magkaroon tayo ng merchant partners sa lahat ng ganyan. Okay? Ngayon, what if, 'di ba, yung team mo, yung binild mo is yung sinasabi ko na power of 10, 10-10 each. 'Di ba? Pag na-build mo yung 10 on level 6 total, you will have 65 million PV. Guys, kung kahit na, 'di ba, every month to, kung bibili lang ng 1 bottle of placenta every month yung team mo. 'Di ba? You will have 65 million PV. 'Di ba? Anin mo 'yan. Nagkaroon ka na ng 650 million or 65 million, 6.5 million na cash. 'Di ba? On a monthly basis, pwede kang kumita ng 65 million PV. Ano pa kakailanganin mo niyan? 'Di ba? And yun nga, Philippines ang nag-start nito. So sino yung may 200 countries pa. Ang dami namang mga Pilipino sa ibang country na pwede magsimula doon, 'di ba? So you have the 200 plus countries, no, na mga magiging downlines natin. So mas malaki pa yan eventually, 'di ba? And saan mo to pwedeng mabili? Doon lang sa mga merchant partners. Kaya ngayon, wala pa masyadong merchant partners kasi hindi pa nila na but eventually pag lumaki tayo, dumami tayo. Kaya ngayon nagpaparami muna tayo ng mga natin, ng mga members natin. Okay? So we have the token, 'di ba? Pwede niyo ibili ng token yung PV nyo. Pwede niyo i-franchise yung PV nyo. And you can also buy travel and tours with your PV. No? Lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, gusto talaga natin mag-travel na yan. If yung PV, andyan lang naman yan. Hindi mo naman pwedeng ibili mo na lang. Di ba? Or eventually, through our travel and tours, pwede tayong magpabook ng hotel dyan, pwede tayong magpabook ng Cebu Park dyan. Na-try ko na yan, yung Cebu Park. Di ba? Doon ako nagpabook sa kanila. No? Pwede kang magpabook ng hotel and yung tour package. Sila yung nagbigay sa atin ng Singapore package no, yung promo hanggang sa 20. So sila yung sa atin diyan, 'di ba? Yung pati yung Boracay na package, sila yung nag-process sa atin diyan. 'Di ba? So pwede mong ibili ng ganun, no, sa dito sa sa franchise, no ba? Yung PV mo, malaki PV mo, pwede ka pang magnegosyo 'di ba? Pambili mo ng mga franchising, ang daming mga malls ngayon, lagyan mo lahat, 'di ba? Kasi what if you have 1 million PV or 65 million PV? Bilhin mo lahat ng mga franchise na yan, may kita ka pa. May other business ka pa, 'di ba? Other source of income ka pa, 'di ba? So that's the good thing there, no? Yan, ito naman is the stockist kasi ngayon yung head office natin nasa Cebu and we're growing exponentially in the Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao area. So kailangan talaga ng stockist in the area, 'di ba? To assist and to cater all members natin sa mga areas na 'yan na wala yung head office. Okay? So ang offer natin is 150,000, maging stockist ka sa area mo. 'Di ba? You could get one whole city. Exclusive ka doon, 'di ba? Ikaw yung mag-activate ng account, you will have 2% overrides on the entry packages and yung discount mo is 55%. 'Di ba? 55% yung discount mo. So meron kang 5 to 35% override bonus doon sa mga repeat purchase, okay? So for example, pag Diamond ang nagbumili, 50% discount sila, bumili ng isang placenta yan, you have 500 pesos pa rin kasi 50%, so 10,000, 5,000 bili nila, ikaw 55%, 4,500 bili mo. So may 500 ka every Diamond member. Pag umabot ng 1,000 lang, 1,000 members na lang sa area mo, yung laki ng area mo. For example, Manila, Mandaluyong, Taguig, Parañaque, di ba? Quezon City, Marikina, nakakuha nun, Taguig. May bago ngayon nakakuha Taguig no? Before the presentation, kausap ko sila, inano ko yung mga codes nila. So ang laki diyan, nandiyan yung BGC, di ba? Kahit na 1,000 members lang eh, no? 1,000 members, kikita sila 500 pesos, that's already 500,000. Pag bumili yan once a month, 500,000 ng 500,000 sila monthly, di ba? Ngayon, pag diamond na, what if starter pa yon, is a starter 25% discount lang. So ang bili nila sa ano is only 7,500. Ikaw 4,500. So magkano sa'yo doon? 3,000 pesos per bottle. Di ba? Sa 1,000 katao, 3 million yung kita mo dyan outright on a monthly basis. 'Di ba? Napakalupit, ang laki ng potential ng isang stockist, 'di ba? At hindi lang naman 1,000 'yan, naabot ng 10,000 kasi ilang tao yung sa Taguig, 800,000 to 1 million yung population diyan. Kumuha ka lang ng 10% of the population, 'di ba? 80,000, 8 times mo ng 500 'yun, magkano nang kita mo doon? 'Di ba? That's na natin, gusto ko malaman din eh. 80,000, okay? Times 500 pesos, assuming diamond na lahat, 40 million. 40 million. Saan ka hahanap ng ganun, 'di ba? 40 million. Oh, 10% pa lang 'yan ng Taguig, 'di ba? And alam ko, you can do more than 10%. Bakit? Kasi nga, nag-start tayo, meron tayong entry package sa 100 pesos na very affordable sa masa, 'di ba? So, eto yung pinakalupit diyan, yung 150 mo worth of stocks lahat 'yan, products 'yan. Okay? Ngayon may ginawa pa tayo na dito special offer, 'di ba? Special offer, 'di ba? Para mas mabilis talaga. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi niyo pa kaya 'to, no? Hindi 150 but you can start as low as 50,000 pesos. 50,000 lang, stockist ka na. Okay? Stockist ka na. All you have to do, kung gusto mo yung city, mag-repurchase ka lang ng 100,000 within 1 month, which is very kayang-kaya kasi nga yung existing natin ngayon, 1 week, 2 weeks lang tapos na nilang 100,000 eh. 'Di ba? Kasi nga ang dami ng mga members sa area. So every purchase, every ano, madali lang 'yan. 'Di ba? 100,000, 100 katao lang 'yan na nag 1,000 eh, no? So that's a very easy thing to do, no? Ngayon, 'pag hindi naman stockist, every municipality isang stockist. So may exclusivity yung stockist natin. Isang municipality, isang stockist lang, isang city, isang stockist lang din. Okay, the same yung advantage mo diyan. So you can start with 50,000, 'di ba? So first come first serve 'to, no? Kung unang makakuha, ikaw na yung stockist sa area na 'yan. Okay, you just have to serve all the RT members in that area. So kikita ka, 'di ba? From all, kahit na hindi mo downline 'yan, kikita ka. Okay, and then you're not hindi ka hanggang 5 levels lang, hindi ka hanggang 6 levels lang. Lahat ng sales may income ka as a stockist. Pero pag members mo 'yan, double yung income mo. Syempre kikita ka sa stockist, kikita ka as a leader. Okay? So, pag marami na yung stockist sa area, magkaroon naman tayo ng business center. Yung business center kasi ito yung magse-serve sa mga stockist, no? So, there would be only 17 business centers kasi one business center per region. And since there's only 17 regions in the Philippines, no, magkakaroon lang tayo ng 17 business centers din. So, we have 2 active business centers right now, one in NCR and one in Region 7, which is Cebu, Negros Oriental, and Bohol and Dumaguete area. Okay, and NCR naman is serving Luzon. Okay, so we will have more business centers very soon. 1 million lang kasi yung promo dyan. Okay, and then worth naman 1 million yung products, and malaki yung discount niya, 60%. Meron siyang 5% override sa lahat ng stockist sa region niya. Okay, and all the stockists in that particular region will buy from the business center. Okay, so napakalupit, ano yan, captured market agad yan, may kita agad si business center, ang laki. Okay, now i-plug ko lang. Okay, kinuha natin yung business center nga dito sa Region 7 and open to for partnership. So if you want to partner with us, gusto mo maging part owner ng Region 7 Business Center, you just message me. Okay, and i-explain to you kung paano ka maging partner dito na may explain ko na lang doon, di ba? So open yan, in-open ko yan ngayon, no? So that's it guys, that's the our